in which of the following pairs of experimental observations the phenomenon does the experimental observation correctly account for the phenomenon? So this is the experimental observation, this is the phenomenon. So in which of these the phenomenon correctly accounts for the experimental observation? Now the first is X-ray spectra. The phenomenon charge on the nucleus. Is it that? Does this explain the charge on the nucleus? No. It is not at all explaining the charge on the nucleus. Right? The second is alpha particle scattering. Is it explaining the quantized electron orbit? No. Alpha scattering experiment, it tells about the structure of atom. If you remember, it is the Rutherford's model. The next is the emission spectra, the quantization of energy. Is it explaining the emission spectra? Is it explaining the quantization of energy? Yes. Because emission spectra is obtained when an electron moves from one orbit of a particular energy to the another orbit, and it is emitting the light of specific wavelength. So this emission spectra correctly explains the quantization of energy. Next is the photoelectric effect. It is explaining the nuclear atom? No. So this emission spectra explains the quantization of energy, that is the energy emitted when the electron moves from one orbit to the other orbit, emits the energy, which is quantized.